Hey everybody, welcome to the Real Show Barbecue. Today we're going to smoke us some Wagyu beef ribs on the pit barrel cooker. Okay, here's one slab of our ribs. These are from Allen Brothers. These are a huge rack of Wagyu beef ribs. These are going to be great on that pit barrel. We're going to be using one new product today, but you guys have seen this before. This is the black garlic puree. I like to put this as a binder on different things, but we're going to try them on these ribs today. And we're going to just give us a nice coating all the way around, just like if you were using a type of oil or Worcestershire sauce or something like that. Same purpose. But it's packed with flavor because of that garlic. We're gonna put a little bit on the back side. Don't have to worry about a whole lot on that back side. And we did remove the membrane on these. Okay, now I'm going to use 2 layers. My first layer is just going to be my homemade salt and pepper mix. I use like a 50-50. We're not going to put it, again, not a whole lot on the back side. Get around the edges. Okay, let's flip these over on this side. Alright, got that on there. The next layer we're going to be using is by Proud Souls Barbecue and Provision. These guys have a competition team, and this is the spicy guy. They're Black Magic, and this is going to give us a nice bark on the outside, that really dark color that we're looking for, and it's got some great flavors as well. It's almost kind of like a SPG type flavor. Let's see if I can just get us some on here. As you can see, it's going to give us that really dark color. You can see that dark color this gives you. We're going to get these out on the pit barrel. Okay, one thing I wanted to share with you guys, because people have asked me about this, I like to double chain my ribs. I like to be on the safe side. So these are going to shrink up. These beef ribs are going to shrink up. So I'm going to try to put it right here. See if we can get it there. And then I like to take another one. Let's see here. We're going to take it and find us another. Maybe we can get it right there. Okay. There we go. All right. So that's what I like to do with mine. I like to daisy chain them, keep them together. It gives it a little bit more security. We're going to touch this up a little bit. We've kind of made some bad spots. All right, these are good to go. We'll go ahead and dump our charcoal in. Stir it around a little bit. What I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using the Mojo bricks. This is their maple. If you haven't tried these, I highly recommend you trying these. These are great for barrel cookers, pretty much any situation, but I love to use Mojo bricks. They got tons of different flavors when I'm using my barrel cooker. So let's get these out. Just drop them in. Put our top back on. We're gonna give this about 20 minutes, and then we'll get our ribs on. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get these ribs in there. All right, let's close this up. Keep an eye on them. I'm not gonna put a thermometer in there, so I'm kind of keep an eye on them. Come back, and I'm probably gonna spray them with some Puree, so show you how it looks. Probably about 30 minutes just to kind of see how the fire's doing, and then go from there. All righty, let's check on them. They've been going about 40 minutes. Looking good. All right. We're gonna let them stay in there. I'll probably check on them about another hour, and we'll spray them with the Puree at that time. Okay, we're another hour into it, so an hour and a half total. Sorry for all the smoke. We're gonna go ahead and lift these up, spray some Puree on them. They're starting to pull away from the bones. Let's go ahead and spray these down. Okay. It's starting to flame up because we're keeping this lid open. Check it on about another hour. Okay, another hour. We're gonna check these out. Again, sorry for all the smoke. Again, these are pulling away really good. We're gonna spray them. Hopefully you can see that. Some more Puree. Smoke, smoke galore. There goes the fire, the flames. I don't think we're gonna have to worry about these too much longer. I'm gonna check these in about 30 minutes, just kind of see where we are internal. All right, we've been out of 30 minutes. I'm gonna check these. They should be done now. Yeah, that's going through like butter. That was 190. Yeah, same there. I'm gonna give them a little bit longer, but it's going through. They're more done at the top. Okay. Give them a few more minutes. All right, I got these out. We're gonna go ahead and check them. I just checked them myself, and they going through like butter. I mean, you can't ask for any better than that. And we're reading over 200 now, so we're gonna take these off and let them rest. Look at that, just like through butter. Wow. Yeah, we're gonna take these off and let them rest. All right, here are the ribs, guys. Look at that. Look at the color. That black magic. You got to check out this product that they have below in the show more section. As always, I'll leave all the information for each one of these products. Go and check them out. I'm looking forward to cutting into these. Let's go ahead and put one of them to the side, and let me turn it over so I can see. Oops, if I can. There's a bone right there, one of the backbones. See if I can get through that. There we go. Let's see. That backbone there is really get through there. There we go. Got some cartilage right there. All right. See if y'all can see that. Look at all that goodness. Wow. Man, the juiciness coming out of that. Got you a nice smoke ring around the edge. Very nice, very nice. Alrighty, there we go, another shot for you. See if I can bite in this without making a mess, and they're still piping hot, piping hot. Look at that. Look at that bite. Wow. These are absolutely amazing. A little bit of cartilage left there. Wow. Perfectly seasoned. Cooked. Again, that juice. Wow. These are so good. Let me get one more bite. Look at that. I would have to say this is probably some of the best beef ribs I have ever done. I know people say that all the time, but the flavor in these are amazing. That Wagyu ribs from Allen Brothers, phenomenal. You can't get no better than this right here. This is amazing. Thank you guys so much. Be sure to check out each one of these products here. All such a great companies to deal with. Pit Barrel Cooker did an amazing job as always. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, if you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. God bless.